If you're wondering which is the best help desk software, Freshdesk versus ServiceNow, I've got you covered. Both of these platforms offer robust solutions, but they're designed for different types of businesses, and choosing between them can be tricky. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one is actually right for your business, and I'll give you an even better alternative that's worth checking out. Let's start with Freshdesk. It's a user-friendly, cloud-based platform that's perfect for small to mid-sized businesses. Its interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for teams to get started without a steep learning curve. Freshdesk provides ticketing, automation, and reporting tools, but where it really shines is its affordability. For companies looking to offer solid customer support without breaking the bank, Freshdesk is an appealing choice. However, one downside is its limited customization options. As you scale up, you might find the platform a bit too basic for advanced needs. Now, let's look at ServiceNow. This is a much larger, enterprise-level solution designed for big organizations with complex workflows. It offers a comprehensive suite of features, including incident management, change management, and even IT asset management. The major advantage of ServiceNow is its ability to scale and handle very complex processes. But that comes with a hefty price tag. ServiceNow also has a steeper learning curve, which can be a barrier for smaller businesses or those with less technical expertise. If you're a smaller company, the cost and complexity may outweigh the benefits. Next thing to consider is the support options. Freshdesk offers a variety of support channels, including phone, email, and live chat, along with a helpful knowledge base. It also includes an AI-driven bot to handle basic queries, which helps reduce the workload for support agents. However, while the AI can help, it's still somewhat limited compared to ServiceNow, which integrates with more advanced AI and machine learning models for predictive analytics and even personalized responses. ServiceNow's support system is tailored for large-scale IT environments, which might not be necessary for smaller companies. The fourth thing we need to look at is integration capabilities. Freshdesk is great at integrating with a wide range of third-party apps, like CRM systems, marketing tools, and productivity apps, which is fantastic for businesses using several different tools. However, ServiceNow, being built for larger enterprises, has deep integrations with more specialized software, including enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, and other complex tools. If your business needs highly customized workflows and integrations with specialized tools, ServiceNow has a clear edge here. Another factor to consider is reporting and analytics. Freshdesk has solid reporting features for tracking ticket volume, response time, and agent performance, but if you're looking for more in-depth insights and analytics, ServiceNow is the better choice. ServiceNow's reporting capabilities are powerful, offering detailed reports and dashboards that give enterprise-level visibility into operations, trends, and performance metrics. While Freshdesk is good for basic reporting, ServiceNow excels in helping you uncover actionable insights at a much deeper level. Finally, both platforms are highly secure and comply with industry standards, but ServiceNow takes the lead in terms of data security, especially for industries like healthcare and finance that need to meet stringent compliance requirements. Freshdesk, while secure, doesn't offer the same level of enterprise-grade security features as ServiceNow. So, which one is better for you? Both Freshdesk and ServiceNow are great options depending on your needs. If you're a small to medium-sized business looking for a straightforward, affordable solution, Freshdesk might be the way to go. However, if you're running a large enterprise and need something more customizable and scalable, ServiceNow is the winner. But here's the thing, I've tried both of these, and if you want a better alternative for your customer service needs, something that beats both Freshdesk and ServiceNow, then you should check out the link in the description. Through that link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth a look. Thanks for watching, and if you're serious about improving your customer support operations, don't miss the link below.